Today I want to show you my latest Walmart grocery clearance finds in the hopes that you can find some of these deals too. I'd like to stress that this video is about clearance items, not health foods, and as good shoppers know, you stock up on good deals when you find them so that you don't have to pay full price for items down the road. There's a lot of clearance items on the condiments aisle. I bought Stubbs barbecue sauce, the large bottle, regularly $4.22 for $2.20. Heinz Texas barbecue sauce, regularly $1.97 was $1.10. Wild Style Chipotle sauce, regularly $2.48 was $1.60. McCormick's cocktail sauce, regularly $2.13 was $1.35. Great Values Bacon Ranch dressing, regularly 92 cents was 65 cents. This is good. After I tried it, I was lucky to find more at 50 cents a bottle. It pairs great with ham and cheese. There was a lot of clearance deals on this aisle, way too many to list separately. So just search the Walmart app using the word condiments and you can browse through the list that comes up and find what is on clearance at your store. They have deals on macaroni and cheese. I prefer homemade, but sometimes you need to get dinner in a hurry. Here's Cracker Barrel's mac and cheese dinner, regularly $2.50 for 50 cents. Another type of Cracker Barrel's mac and cheese dinner, regularly $3.48 for 75 cents. Muscle Max white cheddar mac and cheese, regularly $1.88 for 25 cents. And Muscle Max regular mac and cheese, also regularly $1.88 for 25 cents. Hamburger Helper. This wasn't the greatest deal, but again, sometimes you need something in a hurry. Regularly $2.24 for $1.90. You know, a quarter saved here and a quarter saved there adds up eventually. They also had Great Values instant rice on clearance, regularly $1.50 for $1.35. Now, I don't want to alarm anybody, but folks are buying up beans and rice around here. This was around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They're buying ramen noodles too. Another convenient meal in a hurry, Castleberry's beef stew, regularly $2.42 was $2. Other stores have had this for as little as 75 cents, so shop around for this one. They had a lot of Chef Boyardee items on clearance. They weren't the biggest markdowns, but again, a quarter here and a quarter there. It all adds up. I'm not crazy about these, but you might like it, so I thought I'd let you know, and you might do better than this if you shop around. There's still plenty of awesome deals on cheese out there. These Crock Bites, regularly $3.48 were 75 cents. Old Crock Extra Sharp Cheddar, regularly $2.98 was also 75 cents. This Spicy Queso Sauce Starter, regularly $3.24 was 75 cents. And this Alfredo Sauce Starter, also regularly $3.24 was 75 cents. I tried this and it's very good. Just toss in some shrimp and peas and carrots, you have a great meal. These Balance Breaks are a good snack, regularly $3.22 for 75 cents. This mozzarella cheese, regularly $5.26 was $1.25. Kraft's Cheddar and Asadero cheese, regularly $2.78 was just 50 cents. Now, this was still in the store because there was no price tag on the cheese, so folks just passed it over. I knew it was supposed to be on clearance, so that's how I ended up with it. So be sure to scan anything without a price tag. It just might be on clearance. Great Values white cheddar cheese sticks, regularly $3.44 were 75 cents. Sargento's Colby Pepper Jack Cheese, regularly $2.68 was 50 cents. And most unbelievable of all, these cheese singles, regularly 99 cents, were just 10 cents a pack. Mexican sour cream, regularly $3.22 was 75 cents. Another hidden clearance. This one doesn't look like the picture on the app, which is probably why it's still there. Regularly $3.08 for 75 cents. So if you think you missed these cheese deals, try and try again. Pringle jalapeno flavored potato chips, regularly $1.44, were $1 even. Some ice cream toppings are still out there on clearance. Smucker's dark chocolate topping, regularly $2.58, was just 10 cents. Yep, I said 10 cents. They had a few other deals too, and there's plenty of ice cream deals still out there. Folks have been buying this by the shopping cart load, but amazingly, the deals are still out there. So keep looking for ice cream deals if you haven't found any yet. I'm also still seeing plenty of deals on the bacon aisle. This carrot cake, regularly $1.44, was 25 cents. Mug treats, regularly $2.97, were 75 cents. These are better than Duncan Hines, by the way. And Peppa Pig cupcake kits, regularly $4.98, were just a quarter. Here's one to watch for because this is the only time I've seen it. Frozen brownie pies, regularly $4.88, and blueberry pies, regularly $3.48, were marked down to $3 and $2 at one store. Baby food is also on clearance. Different baby foods, regularly anywhere from $1.25 to $1.38 each, were just 25 cents. I can't believe that any of this baby food is still on the shelves, but it is. So be sure to tell everyone you know that needs this that it's on clearance. At some stores, they didn't bother to mark the shelves, so be sure to browse your Walmart app for baby food before you go so you'll know which ones are marked down. Or you could just stand there and scan all of them if you like. And once again, there are clearance items at the checkout counters. It seems to me that they only mark the items at one checkout line, the others are left unmarked. So here's an idea of what to look for. So that's what I found on clearance at Walmart this week. I hope you're finding the deals too, and I hope it helps.